Hello everyone, and welcome to Dolly's Food Fusion,
the cooking show where my wife and I attempt to recreate my family recipes.
You are currently watching part 3 of our Diwali special sweet series. Check the link in our description for the rest of our delicious Diwali sweet recipes. Also make sure you're subscribed to our channel for tons of new recipes coming to you every week. Today we are making pineapple kesari bath. This is a rich yet fresh and fruity dessert, and we think you'll really enjoy how the tartness of the pineapple cuts through the smoothness of a traditional kesari bath. So what are we waiting for? Let's get cooking! So I'm going to start off by showing you our ingredients. Here we have 1 pineapple sliced into the shapes as shown, 1 handful of sliced almonds, 1 handful of chopped pistas, 1 handful of halved cashews, 6 tablespoons of ghee, 1 cup of sugar, 1 cup of Sooji or semolina, a few strands of saffron, 1 teaspoon of cardamom powder, a pinch of salt, and a few drops of lemon juice.
We're gonna start by grilling our pineapples. Place your pineapple slices onto a griddle. On top, sprinkle a pinch of salt and a pinch of sugar and few drops of lemon juice. Grill both sides on medium heat until they caramelize. Remove them and chop them roughly. Now add 1 tablespoon of ghee to a kadai. Add your half cashews, your sliced almonds, and your chopped pistas. Fry on low flame until the nuts become lightly golden. Now remove and keep them aside. Now we are going to roast our Sooji. Add another tablespoon of ghee to the kadai. Now add your 1 cup of Sooji. Roast this on low-medium flame until it becomes slightly golden. Now remove and keep it aside.
Now we're finally ready to make our kesari bath. Add 3 cups of water to a kadai. Now add your saffron, your 1 teaspoon of cardamom powder, and your grilled pineapple chunks. Stir this well and bring it to a boil. When it starts boiling, you can add your roasted Sooji. Do it gradually and make sure you're stirring the entire time. Continue to stir and cook for 4 to 5 minutes on medium-high flame. If it feels too thick, you can add some more water here if you need. Now add 1 cup of sugar and continue to stir until the sugar is fully dissolved. Now we're going to add 1/4 cup of ghee in here. Stir this well and cook until the ghee separates. Now all we have left to add is our roasted nuts. Mix well one more time. And that's it. Your pineapple kesari bath is ready.